In this video, we are going to see how you can subscribe to real-time DEX trades happening on Arbitrum using BitQuery's EVM API. All the API links you will find in the description of this video. You can test these APIs on ide.bitquery.io. You will get free 10,000 points by just signing up on IDE. We will see three APIs in this tutorial. First one is API to subscribe to real-time DEX trades on Arbitrum. Second is API to subscribe to real-time DEX trades of a specific token. Third is API to get historical DEX trades of a specific token. Anything where historical comes, you will need to query the DB and use query keyword instead of subscription keyword. Let's get started with our first API to subscribe to real-time DEX trades on Arbitrum. Select API v2, then select EVM, then select network as Arbitrum, then select DEX trade by tokens, then select block time, which will give you the time of the block in which this transaction is included. Then select trade, then select the amount in USD of the main currency, buyer of the main currency details, name, symbol, smart contract. Then select DEX details. I'll just select protocol name, protocol family. You can also select smart contract. This will be the pair address. Then select price of the main currency in terms of the side currency, price in USD of the main currency. Now select the seller of the main currency. Now we're going to select the side details, which will be side currency details basically. So side currency details is protocol name, smart contract symbol, name, buyer of the side currency, amount in USD of the side currency, amount of the side currency, seller of the side currency. Then select transaction. Under that, transaction from, and maybe we'll need the hash. It depends on you what you need to select. We have provided many fields. Now just change this query keyword to subscription and you will get the real-time DEX trades happening on Arbitrum by just clicking on this run query button. You can easily embed this into your code also. I'll just stop the query because I don't want to exhaust my credits. Now move on to the next API where we will get the real-time DEX trades of a specific token. I will just copy over this API to a new tab and we'll just add a where filter in this where button and then trade currency smart contract is, and we'll paste this currency smart contract address here, which is a Uniswap token address. So now I will get the real-time DEX trades of this Uniswap token only and not all of the DEX trades as I was getting in the first one. You can run this query. Not many DEX trades of this Uniswap token is happening right now. So I'll just stop the query and we'll move on to the next API where I will get the historical DEX trades, maybe for this particular token, which is Uniswap token. So just copy over this API to a new tab. Now we will get the historical DEX trades. For that, change the subscription keyword to query keyword, then put limit count to 1000 or whatever you want. This is the number of responses or the number of trades you will get. I will order the response by I will order the response in descending order in terms of block time, and also I will narrow down this to today's date only. So today is 13th December 2024. So in where block time I will put since 2024 12 13 T. This is UTC format 000000Z. Now in today's date only it will give me 1000 trades in the order of descending block time. Now run this query. You will see the trades. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe and head over to our Telegram channel if you have any questions.